This is a cordless electric nail drill, and it comes with all of the accessories you need. The best part about this one is it's rechargeable here, and then it's got its controls right here. You've got the power button and then the speed control here. The power button also is used to reverse the rotation, so you can spin it one way or the other depending on what you're doing. It comes with a little safety shield you can put on there, or rather it prevents the dust from flying everywhere. So you can put that on there. And then it comes with 2 boxes of all of your different accessories. So in here, we've got the disc drill bit. This one's going to be used to smooth out nail edges. Then we've got the felt frosted drill bit, and this is going to be to buff and shine. This one is the cylindrical drill bit for surface polishing. This one is the smooth cone. It's to polish nail surfaces for a smoother finish. And then this last little guy on the edge of this one is the metal drill bit to remove calluses and cuticle. In this box, we have the needle head. This is to polish nail edges. Then we have the safety bit to polish nail side edges. We have the pointed cone. This is to polish nail sidewalls and cuticles. Here we have the small barrel. This is also to surface polish and callus removal. The large barrel right here. This one's going to shorten nails and polish the surface. The last one here is the mandrel and sanding band, and it's to shorten nails and remove product. This one you'll put one of those little sanding belts on there to use it with. And it does come with a whole another bag of replacements for those. So you have a ton of these that come with the product. You also get this little brush to brush off any excess material. After you've done your sanding, you can just easily brush it away. So how's it work? So you're gonna take your electric nail drill. It's got just a small hole up here on the top, and you just take whatever accessory you need and simply just slide and push it in. To turn it on, hold the power button until it lights up. So we're spinning now. And then you press this button to change the speed. So it's 3 different speeds. And then if you push this button again, it actually changes the rotation. So now it just stopped and started spinning the other direction. To turn it off, hold and turn it off. Plugs right in here, powered at the end of the day. The battery lasts for a really long time. I actually haven't had to recharge this one yet, and we've had it for a little over a month, and I've been using it pretty frequently. So I'm not concerned about battery charge. To remove your accessory, you literally just pull it out. Also, this little guard can be removed, so you can use it with or without that guard if you want to.